Hello everyone, this is Pinky Punjabi from Magic of Healing, and today I'm bringing a video to discuss about what the Siddha Mantra and Yantra course contains, because a lot of people have a lot of questions, and I thought I'll also show one or two samples of the mantras and the methodology with which we will be doing. But this is a simple ones which I'm showing here. But then if you see, I have given the course content also. I've written here and kept. I am bringing Vashikaran mantra, and I'm bringing a yantra, and I'm bringing a yantra for people who are not able to conceive, and but then medical there is no issues. Then for them, what you can, what yantra you can give them. People, there are cases where people get conceived, but the pregnancy doesn't retain. They end up having abortions. So to avoid abortions, what yantra you can give? People who are into court cases, they want something which you can put it as a talisman and give them, so that they can wear it and go during the court case for them to be successful. So for that, what we can give, for money, what we can give. So there's a lot of yantras like that. I am going to bring in 13 yantras and around 6 mantras. Like if you see, there's a mantra for attracting whatever endeavors, in all endeavors basically. And there is a yantra which is more like if your husband has left you and gone, or if the person you love has left you and gone, and if you want them to come back, then what you can do. And the special focus of this workshop is going to be the Swarna Akarshana Bhairava and the Siddhi Lakshmi, the Ganesh Siddhi Lakshmi yantra. Now, these two we will teach you how to do a proper way of puja. Swarna Akarshana Bhairava is basically where he works with bringing money. It is said that he is the person who even gives money to Lakshmi ji and Kubera. And the other one, which is the Ganesh Siddhi Lakshmi Yantra, it is more for fulfilling all the wishes, for us to have everything that we desire or manifest everything that we desire. It is for that. So now coming to the simple, I have two simple yantras here. I will tell you all how you should do this. Basically, the first yantra is if a person has fever, persistent fever for more than 3-4 days, and they want to keep something for the child to heal. Then what you will do is you will take a palm leaf. Palm leaves are easily available. You will wash them in the turmeric water. That is very important. And then what you will do is you will take a little bit of neem powder, sandal powder, and the ashwagandha powder, powder, and then you will add to it a little bit of water and saffron. You will make it as a paste, and this is the yantra that you will draw on that palm leaf. What I will do is, when I am explaining this, after I finish explaining, I will give an image of this so that you can pause the video and then you can see this image properly, and then you can draw the same way. So this is the yantra. So what you will do, you will draw this yantra, and then you will call on whatever god you feel connected with. You will offer for this yantra flowers, and you will also chant the Dhanvantri mantra. If you Google, you will get the Dhanvantri mantra. You will chant 108 times, and every time you chant it, you will put one flower in this, and you will energize the yantra. And then the child who has fever or the elder who has fever, under their bed, under their pillow, you will keep this. So in that way, what happens is they will see a good change in their health. They will see the fever reducing and good changes in their health. So now this is one thing. The second yantra which I am going to talk about is to keep our enemies away from us. Now for that, what you will do is we will take the same palm leaf. Usually Bhojpatra also works beautifully for this yantra. If you don't have the Bhojpatra, then you take the palm leaf. You wash it in neem water. Now how do you make the neem water? You will take a bowl of water, and then you will put neem leaves in it, and then you will make it to boil, and then you will strain the water, and then you will wash the Bhojpatra or the palm leaf in that neem water, and you will take it out, and then you will make a paste of licorice powder, ashtagandha powder, gorachan, 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 and then you will also add a little bit of a small pinch of charcoal, the charcoal powder in that. Make a paste of it, and then you will draw this yantra. This is how the yantra is drawn. Again, after this video is explained, I will put a photo of this so that you can pause it and then you can make it the same way. So now I have put here, these are the 4 petals. Again, first you will draw these 2 lines, and then you will draw the petals, and then you will draw this. Okay, and this is how the yantra looks. After you draw this yantra, you will call on Kal Bhairavar to energize this yantra. Okay, so you will call on Kal Bhairavar, you will offer it some flowers, and you will energize it with a lavender agrabatti. So you will show on the yantra, the lavender agarbatti, and then you will say the you will call on Kal Bhairava, and then you will energize it. And what do you do this? You roll it and you put it inside a talisman in a talisman, and you can wear it. You can also keep it in your purse. You can also make a small photo of this, make this and frame it and hang it in your entrance inside the house. So what happens is nothing evil comes inside the house. People with ill intentions will try not to come to your home. They will avoid coming to your home. So like that, this can be done. So the workshop is about this. Now these are two simple yantras which I have given. In the workshop, we will teach you more detailed yantras. We will teach you more mantras, like which mantra has to be chanted 1008 times, which mantra 108 times, how many days you need to chant, what is the right way of preparing. In fact, timings will also be said, that at which timing that yantra has to be made for it to be energized. And this yantras and mantras can also be given to your clients. It is not that only you can do it. And the Swarna Akarshana and the Ganesh Siddhi yantra, you can do it in a nice copper plate, and you can make it properly, energize it properly, and then you can give it to your clients for their wishes to get fulfilled and for them to get money in all forms of life. So I hope this is clear. The workshop, I had said that once the 15 registrations are done, we will be starting the workshop. So those who are still interested and were having a lot of doubts about this workshop can get in touch with me. And before I end the video, I would like to say one thing. Now we have a separate number for course coordinator. So the course coordinating team will be interacting with you people for course coordination, and we have a separate team for picking up of our products. So I will ask my my video editing team to put the course coordinator number here, so that you can WhatsApp them, get the details of the workshop and the registration charges, and then you can join the workshop if you're interested. So thank you all. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Do like it, share it, and subscribe the channel so that you are updated as and when I come online. Thank you.